Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm audible, sir.
Yes. Please
Yeah,
proceed.
good afternoon, everyone. I'm CA Himanshu Goyal. I'm a practicing chartered accountant, and today I will demonstrate a powerful solution that is the MSME payment tracker. I make it from Google Gemini, from by using Google Gemini and Visual Studio. And firstly, pro, I will show you the benefits, and I will show you the benefits the MSME payment tracker. This tracker is designed to track supplier invoices and payment with full accuracy. As you know, as per the MSME Development Act 2006, delayed payments to registered MSMEs attract interest penalties up to three times of the RBI rate. And moreover, during tax audits under Form 3CD, Clause 22, we are mandated to disclose all dues payable to MSMEs beyond the prescribed credit period, along with the interest implications. This tool is designed to make the process accurate, transparent, and audit ready. It helps to track suppliers' invoices and payments with full accuracy, calculate delays and interest automatically, help chartered accountants to meet tax audit clause 22 disclosure requirements without manual effort. Recently, in a tax audit for a manufacturing client, with over 1,200 purchase invoices, Clause 22 compliance was a major challenge. We used this MSME payment tracker, imported their data, and within a minutes in the software, and the tool identified 42 lakhs of outstanding within minutes. And the tool also identifies that 1.26 lakh rupees of interest is due over there. This saved us multiple mandates of laser scrutiny and provide a legally defensible report for the audit file. For today's session, I cannot share any client confidential data. So this software allows us to generate dummy data for demonstration purposes. It simulates suppliers, invoices, and payments within a financial year and store it in the database for testing and training purpose offline. Firstly, we need to click generate dummy data. As you see, it generated the dummy data and it generates 50 suppliers, 500 purchase invoices, and 500 payment records. Then, if you want to save all these files, then you click yes, and it will save all these files to as like MSME payment tracker. Here we select the folder and select proceed. So it save all the MSME data it generated. Now we need to press delete all data button. So it can delete all the database data which is generated before or ever entry or any entries which are there in the system. So it shows deleting all data and data has been deleted successfully. Now import suppliers. As you see, suppliers dummy, it generate. Suppliers imported successfully. Import purchases. Purchase records imported successfully. Import payments. Payment also get imported successfully. Now you have to click only run payment processing, and it will ask that should payments be adjusted against the opening balance first, because in our tally data, when we check our clients data, so there are debtors, so there are creditors whose balance need to pay at in the opening. So it is give a pop-up for the same that you need to adjust the balance opening balances first or not. If you need to adjust, then click on yes, or if you don't need to adjust, click on no. Now I click on yes, and it start payment processing. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes for the same. I will describe you why I do the same thing. Before we starting importing any real or test data, we always click on the delete data. So this clears all the entire database to ensure a clean slate. This is especially important when working with multiple sets of data. It avoids duplication and inconsistencies. Importing data, import from there, import suppliers, import purchases, and import payments. Then we need to click only on run payment processing, as I show you. After processing of every data, it shows us a pop-up that the data is processed. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to process the data. Complete software is running offline on desktop. No need of internet is required. Now it shows payment processing is complete. Okay. Now if I need to generate late payment records, I simply click late payments records, and it asks me enter late payment thresholds. As we know, 45 days are the period for fixed 45 days time period is fixed by MSME app. So we enter 45 days, or if as per supplier invoice, there are some data, there are some other conditions like 30 days or 20 days, you can enter. And interest rate is 18%. Generate. It will give a pop-up to save your file, and we simply save it here. If save unpaid by date, if you need to check whether the supplier is paid during the year or any date you want to check, let's say 2024 12 month 31st December 2024, generate. I generate the same all unpaid suppliers. If we click all unpaid, it will generate all unpaid suppliers data as on 31st March 2025. And reconciliation. If you want to track any of the supplier data, you can simply click on that. Now, as export reports, as you see, the same export reports are there. And late payment reports, if we click on late payment reports, it shows supplier GS, there is GST number, his invoice date, and paid date. And as you see, there it is written that 51 days is in 51 days the payment is
Himanshu
made.
ji,
Yes, sir.
we are seeing your MSME payment tracker.
Yeah,
I think you're showing an Excel report that's not coming up.
Excel report is not coming up.
You're showing the same thing which is there on the screen.
Okay. I share the screen. Sir, is it visible now?
Yes.
Yeah. This is the report it generates. Supplier name, GST, invoice number, invoice date, paid date, and 51 days. Let's say the amount is 9710, amount which is the invoice amount. If we need to calculate, 1 second. So we open a calculator to calculate the same thing. Let's say it is 9710 invoice amount, and it into 18% interest rate. As we said, the time period is 45 days. So 51 days less 45 days is 6 days. We multiply 6 days divided by 365 days. The amount of interest, 28 rupees 73 paisa, is the same amount of interest it is calculated. And this is the complete entire amount of interest we need to put in our audit reports. And if we need to check unpaid by date report,
The last 2 minutes is left.
it will show complete amount, invoice amount, or outstanding balances there. I used Google Gemini for the same. As you see this, for step by step, I give command to Google Gemini and it write up the Python code, and then I import the Python code in Visual Studio. It is here, and then I run the app. And also in last, we make the app offline to work. This is the application we make from it to work offline. Thank you.
Thank you, Himanshu ji. In the front end, the design which you have done by the Python, any idea
Yeah, sir.
which library you have used?
Sir, I used Python and I used SQLite for database and PV for data integration. So uh, all the datas will get integrated and use pandas.
Okay.
Here
I have
I show you.
one question
Yes, sir.
that why are we doing it with dummy data?
Sir,
We should have
because
added we
sir,
should have added some file that would have been processed using the application that you have made. The idea is great in its entirety, but until unless we connect it to some regular uh, data that comes in,
yes, sir.
I think that could have been integrated.
Sir, because of confidentiality, uh, I cannot share the client's data over there. That's why we produce a dummy data from it and run the all procedures on it. And every time when we click on the generate dummy data here, it will generate another dummy data, not same data it will generate. It will generate randomly,
Okay,
always.
great.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Dinesh Kotariji?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Himanshu ji, you can stop sharing.
Okay, sir. 1 second.
Yes, Dinesh.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Not yet.